Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of flip. You will enter to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. And then you will go to flip app and you will enter. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.